Welcome to this LinkedPhone tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how to make your messaging more efficient with quick replies, which are one-tap responses to customer text messages. Let's begin. Start by tapping on our logo in the upper left-hand corner of your screen to open the settings menu. Next, select Quick Reply Settings. Here, you can create templates for your quick replies. To add a new template, simply tap on the plus icon. Type a pre-written reply in the text box. Feel free to be creative, but remember to keep it short and professional. Once you've composed your quick reply, tap Save. Okay, so now that you've created quick replies, let's see how to use them. From your Messages feed, tap on a message to open the stream. Here, tap on the lightning bolt to view your quick replies. Tap 1 to populate the input box. Now, either edit the reply or tap Send. And that's it. Quick replies will save you a lot of time so you can focus on growing your business. We developed this feature based on your feedback. From the LinkedPhone team, we thank you for partnering with us.